Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration with two YouTube sisters. We have Linda, styled by Miss Linda. We have Tangie from Home Decor, DIYs and More with Tangie. And today we are going to be doing a tablescape for New Year's. And here are some of the rules to participate in this collaboration. If you are new, I want to take this time to welcome you and thank you for watching. Feel free to join the family if you like the content and hit that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. I appreciate you guys. And I'm happy to do this collaboration because I actually do celebrate New Year's. So here is a mini version of what we do. And I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so I'm starting off my tablescape with some DIYs. The table runner is not a DIY, but I made these signs, the 2021 and New Year, New Life. And I made this stand out of a charger that I created in a DIY and actually a vase. And I put another mirror. What I'm going to do is top this stand with champagne glasses. And I've got a light down here to give it a little ambiance when we do our night view. So make sure you stay to the end for that. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a reflection of an actual semi New Year's celebration that we do to kind of get you a little bit more familiar with how we celebrate. Alright, so let's get into this table. So I got my little bling on the table runner and I've got my chargers with the bling. And I've got my napkins on top. So I'm bringing in the new year with some bling, as you can see. And I am a glam girl, so I really am happy with these chargers I purchased. Let me know in the comments what you think. Which I normally don't on my tablescapes, but for New Year's Eve, since this is going to be more realistic, we're going to be eating. I do have my flatware out. And let me know in the comments what you think about the designs on the napkins. Alright, and this is the final pieces put together. And I'm going to give you a night view, just so you can get a realistic feel of what we do when we celebrate New Year's. guys, thanks so much for tuning in to this video. This is a New Year's Eve or New Year's celebration. This is our tablescape for New Year's. Although we've still got a couple of more days, this is a sneak peek of how we do it here for New Year's. We have the lights, we have the glasses, we have the music. Although we had YouTube music due to copyright protocols, my husband was able to put together some music to show you guys, to get you in the true mood of how we celebrate. But we've got the food here too. So we've got some cheesecake, a seafood boil going on, and some Be-Love sauce. I want to make sure you guys know that we appreciate you. Make sure that when you celebrate the new year, you bring it in safe. So we're hoping for a new year, new life, prosperous 2021.